Overseas education, just thinking about it makes your heart flutter, doesn't it? But with it comes a lot of stressful things. Finding the right agent, finding the right budget, finding the right course, and finding the right accommodation. But now you don't have to worry. Just listen to us and you'll get all your solution with us. We are Excel Education Services, your one-stop solution to achieve your education goal in abroad. We have very wide range of courses from MBBS to engineers to economics and many more. So if you want to be a doctor, nurse, or want to be a tech, so we have something for everybody. We have offices in Mohali and Delhi, and we have a very strong network across the India. And we're gonna help you to achieve your international goals. Our team is very much experienced and our team is available for you 24/7. We're gonna help you to get admission in top ranked universities, accommodation, and every step of your process because we understand you very well. We just don't get you admitted. We ensure you your success. We're gonna give you each and everything what you're gonna need to excel your abroad education dream. From local Indian food to local accommodation to local guardians for your well-being. Trusted by over 22,000 students, Excel Education Services is key for your success. So why are you waiting? Contact us today and take your first step for your education dream goals.